Welcome to our tutorial on how to download your tax return file prepared in TurboTax Online. In this video, we will guide you to download your tax return file prepared on TurboTax Online platform in 3 easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official website at turbotax.intuit.com. Next, you must enter your username and password to access your personal TurboTax account. Once you've logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the Download.tax file option. Automatically, the file will be downloaded to your computer. Now you can find your file in your computer's Downloads folder. Remember to save your file in a safe and easy to remember location so you can use it when you need it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you next time.